you looking for a new cookie bar recipe you can try out on Santa Claus? Well, you are in luck because this dessert combines two popular cookies.
And here to share a Bevier Cafe recipe in the CI kitchen, U of I student chef Kelly Cullerton. Hi, Kelly.
Hi, guys.
What are we making today?
We're making Snickerdoodle Blondies.
So these are Snickerdoodles that have more fun?
Yes,
Perfect.
exactly how you can think of them.
Okay, well, I love both of those, but before we get started, let's kind of talk a little bit about you.
Okay.
You're a dietetic student there at the U of I, so what are your plans?
Yeah, so I'm actually graduating in December, so in a month, which is terrifying. Well, we're in December, the end of December.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, and then I'm going on to, it's called a dietetic internship, and that's what you have to do to get licensed, and I'm doing that in Las Vegas.
Whoa, nice.
So I'm moving to Las Vegas in a month.
Oh my
Wow.
word,
that's
why
my
Las
plans.
Vegas?
Good question. The weather, it was a very good program, and it was kind of my chance. You know, I'm from Illinois, and I went to U of I, so it was kind of my chance to just go somewhere crazy new.
Wow.
What does that program involve? Like, what will you be doing once you get there?
Yeah, so a lot of it's in the hospital. So, you know, I'll be doing clinical rotations as a clinical dietitian in the hospital. There's also a community aspect. You know, there's a part of it where you spend a whole week at a diabetes camp with children with diabetes.
Oh, wow.
There's, you know, a food service aspect of it. So it's just a 7-month internship, and at the end you can sit and take your licensure exam.
Wow, well, these will probably not be served at diabetes
Probably
camp.
not.
So let's make them now before you go.
Exactly.
So you've already creamed. It looks like some butter and sugar and eggs maybe
this
in
is
here.
butter, brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla.
And it looks delicious.
So this is kind of the base of our cookie dough recipe. So having the raw eggs, you probably can't just scoop it out like I was wanting to do.
My favorite line is cookie dough because some things are worth throwing up for.
Our new motto here at ciLiving. So what else goes into these?
Yes, well, all this stuff over here is what goes into it. So we have, this is just...
I'll switch spots.
Yeah,
with you
sorry,
here.
this is just 32 ounces of flour. We can actually put some salt right in there.
Okay.
This is just 4 teaspoons of baking powder.
Are these on the menu at the Bevier?
They are. We made them just today. I made them
Nice.
just today.
Okay.
Is
Yeah,
this
and then
cinnamon
that
of some
actually
sort?
goes at the very end.
Later.
Yes, that's cinnamon and sugar, but that's
Okay.
secret.
All right.
Yes.
Oh,
Got it.
So then we add that. If you could just pour a little bit at a time.
I'm sure I'm good at that, as we've learned
Yes,
in the show.
you're so good at
sorry.
patience.
Kind of.
Don't
Yeah, so
and
you
go.
just mix this in. Normally we do this with a mixer in the cafe, but you
Good
know.
workout for today.
Yes, exactly.
Do I keep going
I
with
didn't
this,
get to
by
do
the way?
yoga. Yeah, you're doing
Okay.
great.
And this looks like a really big pan. So how many does this serve?
That serves 24.
Wow.
3.
Yeah. So
Oh my goodness.
24 people with self-control.
Yes, you're doing a good
Bet
job.
you're wishing you had that mixer right now.
I am wishing I had that mixer right now. This,
Oh gosh, you're
It's all right.
getting it all over your
I'll be-
jacket.
I'm
I'll
so
be fine.
sorry.
No, you're good.
No,
Yeah.
keep
My
stirring,
jacket's
keep
gonna smell
mixing.
amazing.
I don't know exactly how this is going to stir all together
Hey.
without the mixer.
We've got this. I have complete faith in you.
You're a great encourager.
Right? I mean, good grief. She's
We can
moving to
give them the
She's moving
idea
to
of it.
Vegas. Hello, she's got to have some, you know.
Now, in theory, I mean, we've got 4 minutes, but
Yeah.
does this all ultimately not
Yeah.
look white?
Yes. Ultimately, it looks entirely not like this, which is great.
Well,
So,
okay.
yeah.
So we stir this up.
Yeah.
and
When
we're
it
gonna-
looks like a homogeneous mixture, you put it in the pan and you spread it out evenly all across the pan.
And then you've got the cinnamon sugar over there because Snickerdoodles are
Have
topped
the top
with their.
Yes, exactly.
So
Okay.
once you get it in the pan and spread it out, that's when you put the cinnamon
Yes,
sugar
then
on?
you put it all over as much as you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Perfect.
we'll get this mixed up. We'll get them all spread out here in our pan. How long do they have to bake?
They have to bake in the oven for 25 minutes at 325 degrees.
There you go. And if you don't trust our baking and mixing, you can always just go to the Bevier Cafe where they serve them up fresh. They're daily, I'm sure.
I'm not sure how you could not trust this, but, you know.
What are you going to do? All right, we'll have the big reveal as well as the recipe posted on ciLiving.tv.